Hello, everyone. This is CEB from Florida, and I just want to have a little conversation about my Nissan Xterra. So recently, I took it in, had my oil changed, and stuff like that, and they said that it was looking pretty good. It is a 2000, and it's a good truck. Now, I was cruising along one day, and I seen it on the side of the road. And I went and talked to the guy. He said, hey, it's got about, I can't remember how much the mileage was at that time, but he said, hey, 2,000. And I said, okay. So I took it for a test drive, and it was like really awesome. And so I said, yeah, I'll take it. And he goes, it's a good running vehicle. So I'll give you a little tour of it. And here, we'll take a look at the engine and see what you think here. Okay, as you can see, the engine looks pretty good. It's not a bad looking engine. I'm trying not to go too fast to let you see it. But I had another friend that said, this engine is not too bad. And I agreed. I said, yeah, it is a pretty clean motor. I didn't see any oil dripping or anything like that. So I was really impressed with it. And it drives really good. There's only one thing I have to fix now, and that's a minor thing, but I'm not worried about that right now. So here I'll give you a look at the inside here. And here, check it out. Okay, as you can see, it's oh, just don't look at the junk in the floorboard. That's going to be there for a while until I decide to clean it. Yeah, I'm not too fast on that. But anyway, it looks pretty good on here. The seats look pretty good. The top is all in. This is all good and solid. It's really good on the inside yet, and it drives really good. Tires are all in good shape. But what I wanted to find out from everybody, and I see a lot of these on the road. Now, before I got my Nissan Xterra, I'm driving down the road, and I'm not seeing any. But as soon as I got into one, where were they all hiding? Everybody's driving one. And I was driving along there, and I said, hey, I like yours. Hey, I like yours. I said, you want to trade? No way. Oh, okay. That's what I kind of thought. But, hey, it's worth a shot, right? But anyway, it's not too bad. And I'll take it for a tour. Got you the engine there. We'll take a tour around here. And as you see, the body's in not too bad a shape. Well, except for that cracked windshield right there. Yeah, coming back from Gainesville there, I kind of hit a rock there, and the rock flew up, and bam, did the window in. But I could get that fixed. That's nothing major. But take a look at it. It's not really that bad. Well, except for it being dirty. Can't always rely on it being clean, especially on these dirt roads. But anyway, it doesn't look too bad, But I wanted to find out from everybody here, because I did hear of that these Nissan Xterras, that they were talking about bringing them back out. And I would love to have another one of these bad boys. I mean, it's just a solid vehicle. And I want to know how many of you out there would agree with me. So, like I said, this is my new YouTube channel. I'm giving it a test run. Come and check this out. Kind of new at this, but hey, I'm gonna try to rock this thing here. But yeah, subscribe, like, and comment on my video, and tell me, give me some comments. Say, hey, I agree with you, CEB. I wouldn't mind having one of these either. And that'll be awesome. Then I know that there's more Nissan Xterra lovers out there. So anyway, I'm going to leave that with you all for right now, but I will be back, and maybe I'll do a tour of the Xterra again, the rest of it, or I'll just do something else. So till then, have a good day. See ya.